Hello, I am Tony Pietoso, owner of Cafe Napoli. Well, I learned this when he was the director of the orphanage in Florence. He was probably one of the kindest men I ever met. Whatever money he had, okay, he was spending on kids. Like he would take kids to vacation, and he would teach them, would talk to them, play with them. He just was a father of all the kids that were in the orphanage. And he was a father to me, you know, when I came in this country. If it was for Lutheran North, I'll be honest with you, I would not be here today. So I owe everything to Lutheran people. And I'll tell you another thing, that when we were in the orphanage in Florence, you know, they did not know how they were going to feed us. But they had so much faith, they never worried about it. They would say, God will provide. And boy, they were right. God will provide. Those 2 years, I can say that it changed my life to be a better person, to be more spiritual, you know, and to be, you know, ready for the future, you know, the life ahead of you, because you never know what comes around. But I was ready spiritually and mentally. Lutheran education changed my life because it made me a better person and made me who I am today. The caring they gave me, the love they gave me, they pretty much got me who I am today, what I am today. It was a good guidance, okay, from the beginning. And like I say, I owe Lutheran schools everything right now. Hello, I am Tony Pietoso, owner of Cafe Napoli. Thank you for your support, and thank you for buying Cafe Napoli meal kit. I appreciate for your support, and I hope you enjoy it. Have fun doing it, and I thank you for the bottom of my heart. Grazie and arrivederci. Everybody, I'm Tony. And what we're going to do today is we're going to do the ravioli with burrata, okay? So all the ingredients that will be in the kit is right here. We have some butter right here, okay? And we have some onions, basil, and what's the other stuff? Arugula, sorry. And then we have the tomato sauce, okay? There we go. So what I want you to do is making sure the fire is medium. Not too high because it will burn the butter, okay? So we're gonna make sure that it's nice and warm. As you can see, it's boiling. That means it's ready to go, okay? So I'm gonna put the onions in it, as you can see, okay? I'm gonna saute the onions. There you go. I'm gonna saute the onions. And in the meantime, I'm boiling the water, okay? Now, in Italy, we put some salt in the water. So I'm gonna have, look at it right here, half a spoon of salt, and I'll put in the water. Done, okay? So now I'm going back over here, making sure the onions are doing good. The onions are sauteed nicely, evenly. Now, once the onions are done, then we're going to add the arugula and basil. And you don't have to go to the store, you don't have to do nothing. Everything's right here. As you can see, it's boiling. Okay. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the basil and the arugula in it, okay? put a little pinch of pepper. A little pinch of, a little pinch, that's it. Little oregano. Oregano, you have a little oregano. Okay, now that we got everything sauteed, now in the meantime, I'm going to put the tomato sauce in it. There you go. Oh, yeah. Oh, it smells delicious. Now, while I got this cooking, I'm going to throw the ravioli in the sauce, in the hot water, boiling water. Okay? So by the time this sautés, the ravioli will be ready, and we're going to incorporate it with the tomato sauce and all the spices. Delicioso. Now make sure your fire is medium, not too high. See now how nice and cooking evenly? Nice. Now this ravioli won't take very long to cook. If you want to know when it's done, I will take one ravioli out, okay? And I will touch it. I think they're ready to go, okay? So I'm going to take them off the fire. There you go. And now I'm going to put everything in the sauce. There you go. There you go. Once in the sauce, you stir a little bit. You can now turn the fire off and put them in a plate. Oh, it smells delicious. Okay. Now you get some Parmesan cheese. Okay? And put that on it. And now, my friend, you're ready to eat. Ravioli alla burrata. Buon appetit.